Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite tech savvy, Mutifole Aries. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit the footer credit of your website with ease using just one particular plugin. Alright, so guys, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube will get to share it to more persons. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So let's hop in and see what we have today. So right now I'm going to log into my WordPress dashboard and I'm going to show you how this website actually looks like. So this is the website. So you can see at the footer credit area you have copyright at 2023 my blog powered by Astra WordPress. So I wouldn't want someone coming to my website and seeing this particular footer credit here. I want to change it to something else entirely. I would love to specifically remove this Astra WordPress theme. Alright. So it depends on the theme you're using. Some might not enable you to remove this copyright section from your customized area. So I'm going to show you a plugin that will enable you to do that ASAP without having to break the bank. Alright. So let's head over to our dashboard and we're going to be installing a particular plugin. So come to plugins and you're going to add new. Okay, so here we are. We're going to be searching for footer credit remover. Alright. Okay, so this is the first one we're going to be using. I know it's not updated and it's not tested with our version of WordPress, but we're just going to use it for this tutorial. And once you are done, I would advise you to install it from your website because it's not advisable to use plugins that are outdated, alright, on your website. So I'm going to activate this and I'll show you how to use this plugin with ease. Okay, so this plugin has been updated. So we're going to click on this visual editor you're seeing here. So right now you can see here, this is the visual editor of this footer credit remover, and I'm just going to scroll down to where I have my footer credit. Just take it down and then you see what you have here. Alright, so this is what we're going to be editing. So I'm going to click and then I'll head over to my site. I want to copy this. I will need this particular article you're seeing here, powered by, just copy here and I'll do the editing. So come here and I'm going to paste it. So I'll say copyright my blog. So let's say this site name is info digest powered by tech savvy. Alright, so this is how you edit your footer credit. So if I'm done, I'm just going to click on the save option. I'm going to save this now and then head back to our site. I'm going to refresh and see if what we've done is reflecting on this particular site. So you can see right here we have copyright 2023 info digest powered by tech savvy. So that's how you edit the footer credit of your website. Also, I want to quickly chip in. Most times you visit some website and you see a symbol of love as this particular footer credit area. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and you're going to search for, okay, so as you can see here, I just searched for heart icon HTML and I'm going to copy one of these you're seeing here. I'm just going to copy one of these and I'll head over to that virtual footer credit and I'm going to paste it powered. I'm going to say paste it here. Okay, so you can see right now, you see info digest and you see this love icon. So I'm just going to make sure I save as usual. So if I go to my site and I refresh, you're going to notice that there will be a love icon there. So here's what I did. I went to this particular site since the one I was copying was not working. So I came here to the HTML symbols and this is the one I'm going to be using. I just click on copy. And then I went back to my virtual footer credit and then I clicked on this part. I also paste this particular icon you see here. Just paste it wherever you want it to be and you can always save. So once you save You can head over back to your site, refresh, and see if the changes you have made are showing there. So you can see right here. Okay, you can see my love icon is showing here. So that's how you add your footer credits area. Alright, if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube will get to show it to more person. Also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.